Are you tired of trying every diet out there and still not seeing the results you want? You're not alone. In fact, studies show that over 80% of people who lose weight through traditional dieting regain it within a year. But what if I told you that your metabolism isn't broken? You're just missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. Intermittent fasting is a scientifically proven method that helps your body burn fat naturally, without extreme restrictions or exhausting workouts, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trend, it's been practiced for centuries and is backed by science. It's not about starving yourself, but rather about eating in a way that allows your body to function optimally. Now, let's get into the most powerful intermittent fasting tips that will help you burn fat faster and more efficiently. Start slow. If you're new to fasting, begin with a 12-hour fast and gradually extend it. Jumping into long fasts too soon can lead to fatigue and cravings. Stay hydrated. Water, herbal teas, and black coffee can keep hunger at bay and enhance fat burning. Eat high-protein, nutrient-dense meals. When you do eat, focus on lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber to stay full longer and prevent energy crashes. Avoid breaking your fast with sugar and processed carbs. This can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to cravings and hunger. Instead, break your fast with protein and healthy fats. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can increase hunger hormones like ghrelin, making fasting harder. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Be consistent. The benefits of intermittent fasting increase over time. Stick with it for at least a few weeks to see noticeable changes. Intermittent fasting is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. The longer you stay consistent, the better your body adapts and the easier it becomes. Let's recap. Intermittent fasting helps you burn fat more effectively by reducing insulin levels and switching your body to fat-burning mode. There are different fasting methods like 16-8, OMAD, and 18-6, so you can choose what works best for you. Simple habits like hydration, nutrient-dense meals, and sleep can boost your results. The best part? You don't have to diet forever. Once your body adapts to fasting, your cravings decrease, your energy increases, and weight loss becomes effortless. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What results have you seen so far? Drop a comment below and let's start the conversation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health and weight loss tips.